What's up, blah, blah, blah. What's up, everybody? I'm in Warrenton, Missouri, and this is a pretty neat place I'm loading up at here. I want to show y'all, people. See here? I'm underground, kinda. This is a place where they ship cold stuff out of, and they make little caves in these little hills here. And I thought it was pretty neat. Put a little bit in contrast how deep we are. As you can see, so there's a truck over there. It's docks. Here's my truck. Pretty neat, hey? See what's been going on. Of course, at the beginning of this video, I showed you some pictures of my trip to Colorado. That was from last Sunday. And, well, today is Thursday. So it's been quite a bit of wait time for me. Been waiting a lot. What I did, I picked up a load last Friday night to go to Pueblo. It was just outside of St. Louis. The little town's called Edwardsville, Illinois. And I picked that up Friday night. And my appointment for Pueblo, Colorado was Monday afternoon at 2 o'clock. That's like 900 miles. So I did that. You know, a lot of sitting around there. I headed from Pueblo to Dodge City, Kansas. I got there Monday night. I didn't get loaded back up until Wednesday morning. That's right, Wednesday morning. So I got swapped out over here in Warrenton, Missouri, over here at the Flying J, and that was last night, Wednesday night, and his load was done. I just picked up his empty trailer. He took my load to Pennsylvania. My load that I was going to pick up with his empty trailer is the one I'm here now. It's now Thursday afternoon, and the appointment time to load up is at 7 o'clock tonight. So I've done a lot of waiting, too much waiting if you ask me. I've defended Butler countless of times about how I haven't been stuck waiting, and I don't mind once or twice, you know, that happens, but man, it's been all week. It's been horrible, and hopefully it's not the sign of the times for me. Now, the reason why I swapped and didn't take that last load from Dodge City to Pennsylvania is because I'm coming up on home time. So usually I would take it, but you know, they're usually pretty good at getting you home. So I'll be taking this back after I get loaded up, take this back to Kansas City, drop it at the yard, pick up out of Kansas City to go to Temple, Texas, and enjoy a couple of days at the house. But the waiting sucks, and it's the first time it's happened to me. After defending the company, you know, about the waiting, because I've heard of other drivers on the waiting, and if you're watching the video, you know what I'm talking about. And I kind of defended, but I just told them how I was treated, and which I haven't been waiting until this week, and it's been all week. It's been almost 7 days. It's been almost just about 7 days of just non-stop waiting. So a day of driving here and there, and that's it. It's been boring. I completed my seasons of Dallas that I have. It's been unbelievable. But so hopefully next week will be better. Get back running again. Hopefully, if not, we'll have to figure out something, because you know, we don't get paid for waiting at Butler. It'd be one thing if we got paid detention pay, but there's no detention pay here at Butler. So keep us running, Butler. People in the office, if you're watching, keep us running, or start paying detention pay. Hey, thanks for watching the video, and I guess that's it. I'm not really ticked off at anything else other than having to wait. 73.
I got a bad feeling about this.